ladies and gentlemen, and as always, thank you for watching. Today we are set up at the Southeast Missouri District Fair in Cape Girardeau, Missouri, getting ready to do one of our demonstrations that we do a couple of times a day. Haven't had an opportunity, we've been so doggone busy, I haven't had an opportunity to show the rigging and everything. Hopefully we'll get a chance to do that tomorrow, but if not, this may be the only video we get from the fair. You're not Ethan! That's
the real one.
Will the real Ethan Shady please stand up?
I say, what happens when we're both already standing?
We love giving, Gavin. Alright. Where's our crowd? Where'd the crowd go?
I don't know, but those are the same people I was talking about.
Is it?
Yeah. The ones that were sitting here whenever I was pulling in.
Yeah.
They were sitting right there on that bench.
Okay.
I knew he was looking at me kind of funny. I figured he knew who we were.
They said they drove all the way from Oklahoma.
That's pretty cool.
Just to come see us. Yep. Nothing to worry about. Roll the boom back this way so we don't put it over the Marine Corps League's truck. We've been teasing them back and forth all week, saying that we're just going to slightly touch it down on the roof. Well, they were supposed to take a pool and get enough money for us to drop it down on his truck, and I said, no, our insurance wouldn't like that at all.
Well, we're getting paid for it. It's not their business. Well, if we get paid for it, and they got enough money for a new truck, who cares? Right?
Somebody might. Anyway, we got awfully tight quarters in here. We do have our, even though they're not super high voltage, we still do have our arch nemesis power lines running around. We have to stay within the fenced area that we had to put up.
Oh, and I made sure to wear my fair hat.
Safety. Oh, yeah. I got you. Even the tank's got dust and tree sap all over it from sitting here all week. Could have swore I heard my phone ringing. That's weird. Now we don't have enough space here to get the boom all the way extended with the trees and the confines of the fence and everything, but yeah, we need to go a little higher, don't we, bud? Ethan.
What?
We've been setting it up higher, haven't we?
Yeah, so we can see the truck underneath. So people can see.
Right, right. Oh, I know people are going to ask. The tank weighs right around 12,000 pounds. It is an insulated tank. Good?
Yeah.
We're good? All right, cool. Do what?
I said if you can't tell from the holes in the front, it is not loaded.
Yeah, it's not loaded right now. It was at some point. But I'll walk around real quick. You'll notice we got the long boards here. We made sure, since this year at the fair we're up on a dirt setting rather than a pavement setting. I wanted to make sure we had a good solid platform, so we've got good heavy oak timbers stretched out. You can see where that tank burned, or the tractor under it burned actually, and then the tank rolled on its side as the truck burned. Now we use it for training and demonstration purposes with the help of my buddy here, and Gavin, and LaDonna. And
Say, am I not your buddy?
I said, and but you're not wearing your pink hard hat, man.
That is true. That is true.
That's your, you know, this is Ethan's.
It's my sign. I know.
I know that.
My call.
We each have our own thing. This is mine, yours is the pink, his is the flashlight and the GoPro.
Yeah, I always have the flashlight and the GoPro. Yours is the pink hat, his is a cowboy hard hat.
We should get indubitably written on that one. The big one.
No, put it
most
on the
people
back.
don't know that yet. That's
I know.
that's Gavin's saying. He
You
walks
have
around the
Gavin
shop
right
every
here.
day going indubitably.
Indubitably with that print, but of course the quotation marks with it, you know, right on the back.
So anyway, I was going around explaining the platform and how we've got the truck lifted up all the way off the ground for a lift and a demonstration. That's basically it. Now to go out and talk to the people. As always, thank you for watching. God bless.